Hello friends, welcome back to Peshawar. I am your travel guide, and today we begin our walking tour from Teddi Bazaar, one of the most historic and economically important marketplaces in this ancient city. As we walk through these narrow streets, surrounded by shops stacked high with sacks, wooden boxes, and colorful displays, you'll quickly realize that Teddi Bazaar is not just a local market, it is a living symbol of Peshawar's centuries-old trading tradition. Peshawar is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in South Asia, with a history stretching back more than 2,000 years. Due to its strategic location near the Khyber Pass, Peshawar has always served as a gateway between South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East. Teddi Bazaar is one of the clearest examples of how this geography shaped the city's economy, culture, and identity. Teddi Bazaar is best known as Peshawar's main dry fruit and wholesale trading market. For generations, this bazaar has been a meeting point for merchants, farmers, importers, exporters, and middlemen. Even today, long before sunrise, traders arrive here to negotiate deals worth millions of rupees. The name, Teddi Bazaar, itself has become synonymous with dry fruits, nuts, seeds, and spices. While modern shopping malls and supermarkets have emerged across Pakistan, Teddi Bazaar continues to thrive because of its trust-based trading system, deep-rooted connections, and unmatched variety of goods. Walking through the bazaar, you'll hear a mix of Pashto, Hinko, Urdu, and Persian words, reflecting the cross-border nature of trade. This multilingual environment reminds us that Teddi Bazaar is not only a commercial space but also a cultural bridge between regions. As you enter Teddi Bazaar, the first thing you notice is the smell, a rich blend of dried fruits, natural oils, spices, and wooden crates. The air is filled with activity. Shopkeepers sit behind large counters, carefully weighing nuts on traditional scales. Porters carry heavy sacks on their shoulders, moving swiftly through the crowded lanes. This bazaar follows a rhythm that has barely changed over centuries. Mornings are reserved for wholesale transactions, when large buyers place bulk orders. Afternoons are slightly calmer, while evenings attract smaller retailers and individual customers. Every shop here has a story. Many businesses are family-owned, passed down from father to son. Some traders can trace their involvement in this market back 4 or 5 generations. This continuity is one of the reasons Teddi Bazaar holds such importance in Peshawar's economic and social fabric. One of the greatest strengths of Teddi Bazaar is the incredible variety of dry fruits available under one roof. Let's take a closer look at what you can find here. Almonds are one of the most widely traded items in the bazaar. You'll find different varieties, including local Pakistani almonds and imported ones from Afghanistan, Iran, and Central Asia. Traders classify almonds based on size, color, oil content, and taste. Almonds are popular not only for daily consumption but also for use in sweets, desserts, and traditional medicines. Walnuts from Gilgit-Baltistan, Chitral, and Afghanistan are highly valued here. Afghan walnuts, in particular, are known for their rich taste and high oil content. Large quantities of walnuts pass through Teddi Bazaar during winter months, when demand peaks. Pistachios are among the most expensive items in the market. Iranian and Afghan pistachios dominate the trade, with different grades available for local consumption and export. High-quality pistachios are often sent to Gulf countries, where they are considered a premium product. Cashews are mostly imported, but Teddi Bazaar serves as a major distribution hub for cashews across Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and northern Pakistan. They are commonly used in weddings, festivals, and high-end sweets. Raisins are one of the most heavily traded dry fruits here. You'll find green, black, golden, and red varieties, many of them coming from Afghanistan. Afghan raisins are especially famous for their natural sweetness and soft texture. Raisins from Teddi Bazaar are supplied to bakeries, sweet shops, and food manufacturers across Pakistan. Dried apricots, especially from Hunza, Gilgit, and Afghanistan, are a specialty item. These apricots are sun-dried naturally and are rich in nutrients. They are popular for both eating and export. Although dates are grown in other parts of Pakistan, Teddi Bazaar plays a major role in redistributing dates imported from Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. During Ramadan, the market becomes especially busy with date trading. Chilghoza is considered one of the most valuable exports passing through Teddi Bazaar. Harvested mainly from Kunar, Nuristan, and parts of Balochistan, chilghoza pine nuts are exported to China, the Middle East, and Europe. Now, friends, we are moving ahead on our walking tour and entering Ashraf Road, one of the most important commercial arteries of Peshawar. If Teddi Bazaar is the heart of the dry fruit trade, then Ashraf Road is the backbone of Peshawar's entire trading system. Ashraf Road is not just a road, it is a complete commercial ecosystem. For decades, this area has been the main center for wholesale, import, export, logistics, and distribution in Peshawar. Almost every major market in the city is directly or indirectly connected to Ashraf Road. Ashraf Road is located in the old city area of Peshawar, close to major historical bazaars and trade routes. Because of its strategic location, it naturally developed into a central trade corridor. Over time, warehouses, godowns, offices, and wholesale shops grew on both sides of the road, turning it into one of the busiest business zones in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. From early morning till late night, Ashraf Road remains active. Trucks, pickups, handcarts, and porters are constantly moving goods in and out. The road may look chaotic to a visitor, but for traders, it operates with a rhythm that has been perfected over generations. Most of the goods entering Peshawar, whether from Karachi ports, Afghanistan, or northern Pakistan, pass through or are distributed via Ashraf Road. From here, items are sent to Karkhano Market, Saddar, Chowk Yadgar, Kisakwani, University Road, and even other cities. Ashraf Road is not limited to one type of business. It is a multi-trade hub, which makes it extremely important economically. Wholesale trading. The dominant activity on Ashraf Road is wholesale trading. Shops here deal in bulk quantities rather than retail sales. Retailers from across Khyber Pakhtunkhwa come here to purchase goods at wholesale prices. Products include food items, dry goods, packaging materials, household supplies, construction-related items. Many offices on Ashraf Road belong to importers and exporters. These businesses handle documentation, customs clearance, transportation, and international trade coordination. Ashraf Road traders are deeply involved in Afghanistan-Pakistan trade, Central Asian trade routes, Middle Eastern exports. Because of Peshawar's proximity to borders, Ashraf Road plays a vital role in cross-border commerce.
As we walk along Ashraf Road, we are witnessing the true engine of Peshawar's economy. This road connects markets, supports livelihoods, and keeps the city supplied with essential goods. Ashraf Road is more than a trade center. It is the backbone of Peshawar's commerce, a place where history meets daily life, and tradition blends with modern business. Our walking tour continues, but the importance of Ashraf Road will stay with us as a reminder of how deeply trade is woven into the soul of Peshawar. Friends, we end our walking tour here at Chowk Yadgar, one of the most historic and symbolic places in Peshawar. From here, we will continue our journey in the next episode and explore more streets, markets, and stories of this ancient city. If you enjoyed this walking tour, please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming tours. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, and see you in the next video. Bye!